How to make up to $42,000 per month working online from the comfort of your own home. You are reading the Ecom Formula Review. Product name, the Ecom Formula. Author, Neil Atkinson. Category, e-business. And e-marketing. Subcategory, e-commerce. Product type, video and PDFs. Official website, click here to visit the Ecom Formula website. Risk, no, you can refund, money. Back guaranteed, for 60 days. Bonus and discount, yes, a package. Of 3 ebooks about how to make a full-time income working in the e-commerce industry, $187 value, for free. Click here to download the Ecom Formula program and the 3 ebooks package. For free. The Ecom Formula about how to make up to $42,000 per month working online from the comfort of your own home. E-commerce training course designed to help you set up your own online business. How to build a lucrative e-commerce store business. In this short review about Neil Atkinson's program, the Ecom Formula Review, I am going to mention some pros and cons about the Ecom Formula product, so just keep reading the Ecom Formula review to the end. The Ecom Formula pros. The Ecom Formula program is a step-by-step program to help you become a millionaire from the e-commerce industry. The Ecom Formula consists of the very best and most successful methods to build a lucrative e-commerce store business. How to build your e-commerce store step by step. How to get thousands of ready-to-buy customers to your store. How to choose the profitable niches to build thousands of profitable stores. You will learn what is e-commerce, the different e-commerce business models, how to create your own profitable store, where to find profitable products to sell, how to get hungry to buying customers to your store, and much more. A complete all-in-one solution to make thousands of dollars each month from e-commerce. One-time payment, instant and lifetime access to the Ecom Formula program. No matter how you are beginning. No large amount of cash to invest. All you need is your computer, your internet connection and a very lucrative website.